Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rancho Mission Viejo local and long-distance movers near me. When moving within Rancho Mission Viejo, California, 3 Movers understands the unique needs of residents. Our expert team is well acquainted with the city's neighborhoods, traffic patterns, and regulations, allowing us to plan the most efficient routes for your local move. With personalized attention, careful handling of your items, and timely service, 3 Movers is your trusted local moving company in Rancho Mission Viejo. When it comes to moving out of Rancho Mission Viejo, whether within or outside California, understanding the differences between local and long-distance moves is crucial. Local moves typically involve shorter distances within the city or nearby areas, while long-distance moves cover greater distances, often crossing state lines. One of the key considerations in a long-distance move is the safety of your belongings. 3 Movers Rancho Mission Viejo's crew have the expertise and resources to ensure the secure transportation of your items over extended distances. From carefully packing your belongings to using specialized techniques for fragile or valuable items, our long-distance crew prioritizes the protection of your possessions throughout the journey. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rancho Mission Viejo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.